Kids learning English. This is a book. This is a book. This is soup. This is soup. This is sushi. This is sushi. This is a pencil. This is a pencil. This is a chair. This is a chair. This is a table. This is a table. This is a laptop. This is a laptop. This is a phone. This is a phone. This is an apple. This is an apple. This is an orange. This is an orange. This is a banana. This is a banana. This is a watermelon. This is a watermelon. This is a burger. This is a burger. This is a pizza. This is a pizza. This is a sandwich. This is a sandwich. This is an egg. This is an egg. This is milk. This is milk. This is juice. This is juice. This is water. This is water. This is coffee. This is coffee. This is tea. This is tea. This is rice. This is rice. This is bread. This is bread. This is chocolate. This is chocolate. This is water. This is water. This is ice cream. This is ice cream. This is butter. This is butter. This is sugar. This is sugar. This is salt. This is salt. This is pepper. This is pepper. This is ketchup. This is ketchup. This is mayonnaise. This is mayonnaise. This is honey. This is honey. This is a spoon. This is a spoon. This is a fork. This is a fork. This is a knife. This is a knife. This is a plate. This is a plate. This is a bowl. This is a bowl. This is a bottle. This is a bottle. This is a glass. This is a glass. This is a napkin. This is a napkin. This is a restaurant. This is a restaurant. This is a school. This is a school. This is a house. This is a house. This is a car. This is a car. This is a train. This is a train. This is an airplane. This is an airplane. This is a bicycle. This is a bicycle. This is a motorbike. This is a motorbike. This is a truck. This is a truck. This is a taxi. This is a taxi. This is a tree. This is a tree. This is a flower. This is a flower. This is a leaf. This is a leaf. This is grass. This is grass. This is the sky. This is the sky. This is a dog. This is a dog. This is a cat. This is a cat. This is a rabbit. This is a rabbit. This is a bird. This is a bird. This is a horse. This is a horse. This is a cow. This is a cow. This is a sheep. This is a sheep. This is a goat. This is a goat. This is a napkin. This is a napkin. This is a tiger. This is a tiger. This is a bear. This is a bear. This is a napkin. This is a napkin. This is a dolphin. This is a dolphin. This is a whale. This is a whale. This is a shark. This is a shark. This is a napkin. This is a napkin. This is a snake. This is a snake. This is a frog. This is a frog. This is an elephant. This is an elephant. This is a giraffe. This is a giraffe. This is a zebra. This is a zebra. This is a kangaroo. This is a kangaroo. This is a panda. This is a panda. I am happy today. I am happy today. I am happy today. I am happy today. They are in the park. They are in the park. I have a pet dog. I have a pet dog. He has a new book. He has a new book. We go to school every day. We go to school every day. I like to play soccer. I like to play soccer. He likes chocolate ice cream. He likes chocolate ice cream. I wake up at 7 a.m. I wake up at 7 a.m. She gets ready for school. She gets ready for school. We eat breakfast together. We eat breakfast together. He drinks milk in the morning. He drinks milk in the morning. They leave for school at 8 a.m. They leave for school at 8 a.m. I study English every evening. I study English every evening. He reads a book before bed. He reads a book before bed. She writes in her notebook. She writes in her notebook. I watch TV in the evening. I watch TV in the evening. She listens to music. She listens to music. He talks to his teacher. He talks to his teacher.